What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Boom, look at this fresh long sleeve t-shirt. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so comfy. If you're watching the Rideshare Hub and you're not repping the Rideshare Hub, then you probably shouldn't watch my videos. Yeah, this stuff is the comfiest clothing in the world, guys. You should get the clothes, all right? Link in the description for that. All proceeds go to making more epic videos for you guys. So yeah, get a shirt, buy a shirt, rep the Rideshare Hub. And you know, we got fresh designs coming out to you. Just merchclub.co/Rideshare Hub. Link in the description. But look at that. Fresh, I mean, these are all unisex. So yeah, look at that, 17 bucks, guys. Sales don't last forever. 24 bucks for a hoodie. Oh my gosh. They're really comfy. All right, guys. Before we get into today's video, if you're interested in becoming an Uber or Lyft driver, oh wait, no, I don't even have to make that intro, guys. Today's video is all about getting that Uber and Lyft sign-on bonus. Who doesn't love a sign-on bonus? When I signed up to be a driver, guys, I think I got $1,200 cash bonus on top of what I received. And honestly, that was one of the main reasons why I signed up, because of that cash bonus, guys. Look at this. Look at this cash money. This video, if you're already signed up to be a driver for Uber and Lyft, you can still get a sign-on bonus. This, yeah, you can still get a sign-up bonus even if you forgot to use a code. So first of all, if you've never signed up before, use the link right now to sign up to be Uber or Lyft. If you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, just sign up, get the bonus, and this is, you know, it's really easy to sign up and start driving, guys. It's fun too. So, and you know, you get some extra money. Who cares, you know? At first I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want my friends to know that I'm a driver. I actually didn't tell any of my friends for a while, and then now I'm so proud of it. I tell everyone, you know, go out and drive. It's fun. You meet tons of really cool people, and you make great money. So anyways, guys, what was I saying? Yeah, so if you're on the fence, use the link in the description to sign up and join. Oh yeah, and then if you don't know which platform to sign up for, just use both of my links, sign up for both. Get the sign up bonus for each one, and then pick which one you like better, Uber or Lyft. And then if you already signed up, then there's a way to retroactively, you know, I'm gonna leave all this information in the description so you can check that out. But if you have already signed up for Lyft, then you cannot get a sign-on bonus. They basically make it so if you already signed up, then you know they're not going to give you anything if you forgot to use a code. However, for Uber, if you already signed up, there's still a way to get a bonus. This is the one way that it's working. You need I believe you need three things. You need the person's invite code, their name, phone number, and email. So you need these four things, right? Invite code, name, number, and email. So yes, I'm giving you guys my phone number because that's the only way this is gonna work. So I guess if you really wanna text me, then you can, because now you all guys all have my number. But yeah, so this is what you guys do, all right? I'm gonna walk you through it. This is in my community section. It's also gonna be in the description. If you forgot to use a referral code, this is a way to retroactively use the code today. This is the only way you can get. This is for Uber, guys, just for Uber. Open up you guys, just do this on your own. Open up the driver app, click on the account on the bottom right, click help, click account and payment, click referrals, click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral, click message us, and then provide them with this. You can just copy and paste this, or there might be a way to put this in manually. Yeah, just use that VDZ3CZBJ3. If you really get stuck, you can go into a Uber hub, Uber hub, whatever it's called, Uber support hub, or just email contact Uber through the app and tell them that you want to apply this, and then they'll ask you for the info, and then you give them that. And then you can still get your cash money, baby. But I do want to tell you guys also why I started driving and why I drive for Uber and Lyft. So I first started driving because I was really financially just, whenever people ask me why I drive, I always tell them, same answer. I was financially doing really poorly. And which, if you see my other video, you know I'm not doing that well right now either with all the money I'm spending on my channel. But what was I saying? But yeah, I know I started driving because I was in debt. So Lyft paid off my debt through hard work. I was working a normal job, and then I signed up for Lyft. I think I worked every morning and every night, every evening, and then I also worked on the weekends at night. Yes, it was hard. It was hard work, but I also enjoyed it. It was fun. I met a lot of cool people along the way. And then now I just do it for fun on the side because I do really enjoy it. And you know, I love interacting with you guys. So, but yeah, that's pretty much why I started driving. If you're thinking about driving, or let me know if you already drive. What do you drive for, Uber or Lyft? And then why do you drive? What's the reasoning? Let me know. I'm really curious. And then where do you drive? Hopefully those are enough questions. But yeah, guys, that's how you get that sign-on bonus. What do you think of this new merch that I got going here? Get the merch, guys, if you want to rep the Rideshare Hub, or even if you know, it says Rideshare. This design is sick. What do you think about this, guys? Pretty epic. I love this. I get compliments on this all the time, and it's super comfy. Let me see how much this costs on the channel. Oh, I actually don't have this one on the channel, so sorry guys. I'll add this one. How about that? There's other long sleeves, there's other t-shirts. This hoodie, if you want this hoodie, guys, $24.95 for the hoodie, and the t-shirt is $23, which I'm gonna put this one on sale. But yeah, there's a bunch, like this t-shirt, this one is our most popular one, $17.95 for that. And then guys, look at that, $17.95. This long sleeve is only 19 bucks. Oh, I love that one. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Again, if you want to sign up, use my link in the description. You can get your sign-on bonus and then get on with your life. Get on with your day. Even if you don't want to drive forever, you can just use it and get the sign-on bonus. That was my initial thought, and then I was like, you know, I'm just gonna drive, get the sign-on bonus, and then never drive again. But I liked it so much, I was making so much money, I was like, geez, why not just do this, you know, more? So I did. And I was able to make enough money where I didn't have to work at a normal job anymore. I didn't have to, I was sitting in an office for 9 hours a day, which, you know, nothing wrong with that, but I wanted to get out and do more stuff, so that's why I started driving, and then, you know, now I don't need to sit in an office. I mean, I wouldn't say sitting in an office is bad. It's just what I was doing I didn't like. You know, if I was sitting in an office, like, you know, doing something fun, I wouldn't mind, but it wasn't that fun, so. Anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. We share exclusive content, have the best content out there for Uber and Lyft. And check out some of the other rideshare YouTubers too. Those are pretty cool, but not as good as the Rideshare Hub. I haven't seen anybody with merch as good as this. So yeah, guys, let's get to 10,000 subscribers. So help me out. Let's get to 10K. All right, guys, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I will see you all next time. All right, bye. Make that money. Make that money. Boom, 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 boom. 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. That's so satisfying. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Drop the mic, drop the cash. All right, guys, have an awesome day. See you all next time. Peace.
Yo, guys, I'm about to make the funniest prank ever. Watch this. Yo, Kev.
Yeah.
Yo, I hear it's your birthday.
Tomorrow.
Dude, I got you a present.
What'd you get?
It's early. Here you go.
Oh my.
Just kidding. Ah, you loser.